social media manager who's handling multiple clients, 10 plus pataas, and I've been doing this for almost 3 years na. Huwag kayong sobrang gagasto sa tools. I've been using all of the tools na ginagamit ko ngayon since nung nag-start ako, since day 1. Hindi ko talaga siya iniiba. Notion for my project management tool, Google Meet for meetings, and also WhatsApp for communication. I also use Gmail, yung mga ganun lang. Simple as that. And Metricool for scheduling. Ayun lang. You don't need to really use all of the tools na available right now. Even though, yes, magaganda sila. Pero, again, dun ka pa din talaga magbe-base sa tools na sanay ka. At alam mo, makakapag-provide ka ng value using those tools kasi sanay ka. Even though may nakikita kayong tools na ginagamit ng iba, you can definitely explore it. But don't avail the subscription kasi medyo mahal talaga yung mga tools. And etong Notion, sobrang happy na ako dito kahit ang daming madadaling tools dyan for the project management tool. It feels like it's really worth it for me kasi dito ako nakakapag-deliver ng quality service for my client and sobrang dami kayo nagagawa sa Notion. So why not focus on those tools na alam mo para mas madali yung system or process na madideliver mo for client?